In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Sherlock AI Face Search app to search for faces online. Let's jump right in. First, download the application and open the app on your iPhone. Once you're on the main screen, tap on Face Search to begin. Here you have to either choose Use Camera or Photo Library. Let me select Photo Library for now. Now upload a clear photo from a gallery or take a new picture. For the best result, make sure the face is visible and not heavily edited. After selecting your photo, crop it around the face if needed. Then tap Search and let Sherlock scan its database for potential matches. Once the scan is complete, the app will usually show that matches have been found. However, to view the full results, profiles or source links, you will typically need to purchase coins or a subscription through the app. Tap the Unlock option and choose the coin package or plan that works for you. After completing the purchase, you will be able to access the detailed search result and matching sources. Keep in mind that results can vary depending on quality of the image and the information available online. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.